Before you spend a single dollar on concert tickets, NFL tickets, NBA games, Broadway shows, or even the 2026 World Cup, stop. Because most people are overpaying for tickets on SeatGeek right now. And the crazy part? Many of them don't even realize they're eligible for discounts that can instantly reduce the cost of their order. Today, I'm going to show you the latest SeatGeek promo codes people are using in 2026, which ones appear to be working, which ones are usually restricted to new users, and the exact strategy smart ticket buyers use to save the most money possible. But here's the important warning. Not every promo code works for every account. Not every code works for every event. And some of the codes you see online are already expired by the time you try them. So in this video, we're going step by step. No hype, no fake promises, just real information that can potentially help you save money before your next ticket purchase. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also going to show you 3 hidden SeatGeek features that many users completely ignore. And they can sometimes save more money than the promo code itself. Let's get started. If you're new to SeatGeek, here's a quick overview. SeatGeek is one of the largest ticket marketplaces in the United States. It allows users to buy tickets for NFL games, NBA games, MLB games, NHL games, concerts, comedy shows, Broadway performances, major sporting events, and with massive events happening throughout 2026, including major concerts, playoff games, and international sporting events, millions of Americans are using ticket marketplaces more than ever. One feature that makes SeatGeek different is something called the deal score. Instead of just showing ticket prices, SeatGeek attempts to rate whether a ticket is considered a good value based on seat location, event demand, and pricing. That means 2 tickets with the same price may have very different value ratings, and that can be important when you're trying to stretch your budget. Now let's talk about the reason you're here. The promo codes. Several major coupon and deal websites currently list the following promotions for SeatGeek in 2026. Code #1, coupons 10. Get $10 off your first eligible purchase of $250 or more. Remember, offers like this are often limited to first-time users. Code #2, blog 20. $20 off purchases over $100. This is one of the larger discounts currently being advertised. However, eligibility requirements may vary. Code #3, SeatGeek 10. $10 off qualifying purchases of $150 or more through the SeatGeek app. This is one of the most widely mentioned SeatGeek discount offers in 2026. Code #4, take 5. $5 off purchases of $300 or more. Not a huge discount, but if you're already spending hundreds of dollars on tickets, every dollar counts. Code #5, coupon follow 10. $10 off eligible purchases. Availability can change over time, so always verify at checkout. Here's where many people get frustrated. They enter a code, they click apply, and then they get an error message. According to SeatGeek's support documentation, promo codes may fail for several reasons. Common reasons include first purchase only, minimum purchase amount not met, code already used, event restrictions, code expiration, app-only requirements. SeatGeek also states that only one promo code can be used per purchase. So if you have multiple codes saved, you won't be able to stack them together. That's one of the biggest misconceptions people have. Now let me show you exactly how the process works. Step 1, download the SeatGeek app or visit the SeatGeek website. Step 2, create an account or sign in. Step 3, go to your account settings. Step 4, look for the promo code section. Step 5, enter the code. Step 6, browse your event and select tickets. Step 7, at checkout, verify that the discount has actually been applied before you complete payment. This last step is critical. If you place the order without the discount appearing, SeatGeek states that promo codes generally cannot be applied retroactively.